With the rapid progress of the 5G on standardization and the product R&D, 5G application is speaking up. I'm very glad to have this opportunity on behalf of CICT and the MT 2020 Promotion Group to introduce our progress of the 5G application. I think everyone is very familiar with the idea in these slides. 5G supports 3 typical scenarios and 8 key performance requirements, especially compared with the former generation. Not only IoT-related scenarios such as URLC and MMTC are introduced, but also much higher performance, even 10 to 1,000 times are required. This means 5G can support rich use cases such as AR, VR, V2X, UAV, smart manufacturing, and more. To do more the contribution of 5G, Datang and the 5 homes are reorganized into the CICT. CICT is the China Information and Communication Technology Group Corporation. CICT will provide end-to-end solution for 5G and with the Datang Telecomm's group focusing on the mobile side and the 5 home focusing on the 5 side. Now we have prepared a series of the products for 5G, including different types of the base station, core stations, test instrument, network optimization tools, optical transmission device, and ROF. With this product, we have attended a lot of trials. For the 5G technology trials organized by the MMT of China, we have finished NS8 version test in this September and will finish SA test earlier next year. For the 5G large scales, we are building the network cooperating with the China Mobile, China Telecom, and the China Unicoms. For example, in Wuhan, China, we have established a 5G network with more than 100 base stations. Based on this trial network, we are doing some application demonstrations, such as the 5G withstand education in Wuhan, 5G high definition videos in Gansu, and the smart manufacturers in the Chongqing. Also, we are doing some joint innovation applications cooperating with the vertical industries, including the V2X, industry, internet, and more. For the V2X, CICT has been working on this area since earlier this decade. In year 2012, we proposed LTV, the concept. That means LTE application into the vehicle network. Then in 2014, we issued LTV the prototypes equipment and did the field demonstration in 2015. In year 2016, we issued LTV the commissioned product, include the onboard unit and the roadside unit. Then in 2017, we further issued LTV the modules. This year, we are working on the new type of the terminals with the new architecture design and also attend all kinds of tests. Here shows some of our V2X products. For V-Box is an onboard unit and complied with the 3GPP, the release 14 PC5, model 4. For the RSU, it's the roadside unit and complied with the 3GPP release 14 LTE V2X standards. This product all come from the Datang's old original chipset, supporting diversified scenarios include the V2V, V2I, and the V2P. With the above the V2X products, we have attended a lot of demonstrations. Here shows some of the then. Those left side figures showed our experience in Shanghai pilot testing area happened in 2017. Also, in recent 3 years, we have been doing demonstrations in other pilot areas, such as Chongqing and Changchun in China. Here shows the latest V2X autonomous driving competition in Chongqing. Datang Telecomm exclusively provide V2X equipment and technology support, supporting 13 teams interconnection with V2V and also supporting coordination with the V2I. Services like the singular notification and the safety warnings are illustrated in the competitions. LTE V2X interoperabilities. CIICT conducted the tests from the different levels, including prototype, chipset, and the testers. With the Datang commercial, the OBU, it successfully communicated with the Huawei's prototype last year. This year, the Datang's OBU also successfully communicated with the Qualcomm's chipset in August. Roder and Showers testing the instrument in September and also Huawei's chipset in October. Now we are doing further interoperability demonstrations, cooperating with the different manufacturers. In China, it's call it 3 innovations, covering modules, device, and OEM. We believe with this works, C-V2X will become more and more matured, and 5G's wide application into the verticals will develop faster and faster. In a whole, the 5G application is speaking up from both traditional industry and the vertical industry. In the process, 5G is expected to bring us both new opportunity and new challenges. Thank you very much.